Hello everyone, so today I have the latest Sketchbox to open. I sort of saw something that looked like an alcohol marker on a video thumbnail, so I'm wondering if there are alcohol markers in here, and I think I do see some. Wow, there's a lot. Let me pull the tissue paper away. Yep, that looks like a Copic marker, doesn't it, in the sticker. So let's put that right there. And ooh, I do love Copic markers. I have a few, but hopefully these are ones I don't have. Let's see. This is the Sketchbox Premium Winter Illustration Box. Alright, that's the menu, and we have a piece of art by... I'm not going to try to pronounce the name because I'm pretty sure I'd get it wrong, but you can see it there. We have some manga paper. I'm going to start with that, and I will pull a piece off. Whoa, what is this? Ah, en cas de réclamation, prière de nous communiquer ce... Okay, so I have some French there. I don't know what that is. Ooh, it's thinner than I thought it would be. 100 grams per meter squared. This is Clairefontaine and Sketchbox. Custom size. This is all completely foreign to me. I haven't used this type of paper before. I'm not really into manga. Yeah, but that doesn't mean you can't draw something else on there. So that's just not my style. I've never tried it, never done it. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let me see if I can make some room here and look at the paper. It says, perfect for markers, this smooth textured paper is a favorite amongst manga and comic book artists. The brilliant white color of this paper helps showcase the marker colors in this month's box. And then it looks like we have Holbein colored pencils. I don't know that I've used Holbein before. Scoot those guys over. And here we have two. It looks like Prussian blue. And what's this one? Forest green. So let's start with the Holbein pencils. I'm just going to write Holbein. And, oh, you know what? This is a vinyl surface. So let me go back in here. I took it off of there, but I have this like vinyl, whatever this is, the contact paper stuff on my desk, that wood color, and it's, I don't like that texture that's showing up underneath, so put this back on the pad so that we can not be distracted by that. Oh, and this is Prussian blue, so maybe I'll write that. It's a pretty color. And then forest green. Ooh, I like how those go together. Green. Now, should we do the Copic markers next? It looks like, wait, what is this? I thought this is a paint pen. What is this? Kuretake manga liner. And it says... there's white and silver extra fine point. Use these liners for striking highlights and detail work. The extra fine point allows for intricate design work when layered on top of the markers in this month's box. Manga liner. It's all in like Japanese. I like the, can you see that? Let me, oh, focus. There we go. There's a frog and a bunny. I don't know if those are just illustrations or if it means, you know, it's like cruelty-free. So I don't know if you're supposed to shake this or what, and it doesn't say. Is it a paint? Well, it's got a thing in there, so... And this is white, so maybe I don't want to do that one yet, because I'm just going to shake it, because I have no idea. And it looks like a paint marker, so maybe I'll just try this. Yeah, probably all that Japanese character stuff is saying what to do with it, but since... I don't read that, I don't know, and it sure doesn't say in there, does it? Okay, many seconds later, maybe as many as 30 seconds later, Kuretake manga liner. silver. That is beautiful. I really hope that these, you know, don't get clogged, because I just don't use things every day. And a lot of I have good luck with the Posca pens, but a lot of other ones get clogged. Okay, white did not take as long. Ooh. So I'm just going to do it over some of the markings. Looks like it works pretty well, and then after the alcohol maybe I'll swatch some more of the white. So we have, there's really a blue-green theme going on here. We have a regular Copic marker in New Blue BG02. Oops, oh, I gotta put these other ones down. So it has a bullet nib and the chisel with this one. BG02 New Blue. And then we have BG05 Holiday Blue, and this is Copic Sketch, which has the chisel with the brush. It's a very similar color, but it's great that they, you know, give you the next step up, because a lot of the markers I have are just oops, I can't write that very well, too big of a jump. So those are very close together. And then we have a BG99. This is called Flagstone Blue. The color on the cap looks more green. And sure enough, the color on the cap, that one great thing about Copic is it is very accurate. It looks more green, I would say. BG99. So I would call it Flagstone Green, but then I am not the one naming this. Must write blue and not do my own thing. That is a very nice color. Let's see. These go on top of it nicely. And let's try this one. That looks nice on top of it. And then of course they're gonna go on there really well. Interesting layering there. And where's our white? We can come back over here. Look at that. Is it the paper? Is it the pen? It works really well on top of all of those. I like it. Now, the test of time will be the one that shows whether I stay liking it. Boy, I was trying to do something just recently with, oh yes, some gingerbread men with white, and I was pulling out all my white pens that weren't working very well anymore. So yes, it's good to have one that works. I'm gonna have to look into this more though to see what's in it. Is it acrylic? It just doesn't say, and I don't know. Like, is it an acrylic paint pen? And yeah. But I know about alcohol markers, Holbein, I think. I want to say this is an oil-based colored pencil. Does it say? Premium colored pencils? Nope, it doesn't say. But I don't know for sure, so don't quote me on that. These are some awesome supplies, and I have a little idea of what I would like to draw in sort of the character theme of things. So I'll try to do that soon and put it on the end here. Thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful and creative day. I'm going to show you this up close because of the glare real quick.